During the 18th century in England, a revolution took place, which was to change people's lives forever. Early in the 18th century, wool went out of fashion as lightweight cotton replaced it. English merchants began to import a large amount of raw cotton, which came from plantations in the southern states of North America and the West Indies. One of the main reasons for this success came from new developments in technology. In 1733, the English wool weaver John Kay patented the flying shuttle. This changed when Richard Arkwright invented the water frame. This was a throttle or roll drawing machine which was driven by a water wheel. Manchester was the city of textiles with more than 200 factories and became the world's first industrial city. Thousands of people left rural areas for work in the cities. In only 40 years, the population of Manchester grew fourfold, creating enormous housing problems. Ghettos grew and families had to live in degrading and inhumane conditions. More than 2,000 tons of cotton were processed every day, but it wasn't a safe place to work. The air was unbearably hot, stifling and humid, mixed with dust and cotton fluff. Children made up half the workforce. Their working day began at 6 o'clock in the morning and ended at 8:30 at night. In the first 40 years of the Industrial Revolution, human society and daily life had changed more than it had in 7,000 years. The Industrial Revolution began in Great Britain and spread throughout the world. There was no turning back.